Here's a princess cut faux filigree ring we helped a client design for one of our customers. They were wanting a similar vintage style ring as their original, but set with a princess cut amethyst. They also wanted the ring to be larger, thicker, and have that sleek, modern look. This change was done because the original ring was made paper thin, and over the years the filigree work started to break away from the mounting. So for the new design, we kept the same pattern overall, but some areas did need slight adjustments. This was simply due to the shape of the new ring. However, on designs like this, we always send screenshots of the model and then images of the print for the customers to see. That way the customer can make any changes before casting. But for this order, we were actually able to nail what the customer was wanting on the first go, and they were thrilled with the new look. At the moment, we just have the amethyst resting in the mounting, but really the ring is about 90% complete. Our client's jewelers will be setting the stone, adding the final polish, and the ring will be finished. If you're looking to have a new modern ring design based off an old piece or vintage styling, contact us today. And as always, thanks for watching.